How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today we have our hands on the VACFORE Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. A powerhouse promising 35 kPa suction, tangle-free pet hair cleanup, 45 minutes runtime, and more. But first, let's see what we get in the box. So this is a lightweight cordless stick vacuum, equipped with a brushless motor delivering 35 kPa suction. It's designed to handle everything from hard floors to carpets, plus getting all that pesky pet hair up. Included in the box is your paperwork, an extendable stick adapter, a slim nozzle tip, a shorter nozzle tip, a wall hanger, the wall hanger mounting screws, charging cable, a wide bottom roller, an extra filter, and the vacuum handle with attached dustbin and controls. What we super liked about this unit is the pet-friendly design. The anti-tangle roller is a winner for homes with fur balls. Its powerful suction for deep cleaning across multiple surfaces is great. Even when you think your floors are not dirty, it will still find trash to pick up. You can swap between the settings to extend the battery life or ramp up the performance. You get up to 45 minutes runtime on a single charge. That is enough to cover an entire apartment or a house. You also can't beat an anti-tangle brush row and LED head. This is definitely ideal for pet owners when you gotta pick up that pesky hair, and the LED head is super bright and reveals hidden debris in dark spaces. And last, the washable HEPA filter and 1 liter dustbin. It is super easy to maintain. You can wash it and then empty the dustbin without even having to get your hands dirty. So if you're after a pet-friendly cordless vacuum, I would definitely take a look at this one. If you'd like to check it out, we have all of our links and details located in the description, as well as make sure to hit that like button if you found this review helpful. If you have any questions regarding this vacuum, make sure to leave them in the comments and we'll do our best to get those answered for you. And if you'd like to keep up with more reviews like this one, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.